Hello everyone, this is B for Try Me Once Reviews, and today I am reviewing another terrific Bluetooth speaker. I review Bluetooth speakers every now and then, and I've reviewed one from Inatech before called Marsbox, and this one is called Mercury Box. So if you look at the speaker, it's this is the size. You could get an idea of size by how it's in my speaker. It comes in hand is it has an 1800 milliampere hours battery, so that's almost like 15 hours of talk time. Really nice sound, IPX5 certified, so it's waterproof. Before talking about sound, I just want to play some sound so that you could see what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna, it's already connected to my one of my iPhones, and I'm just gonna play the music. And here you go. And now I'm going to increase this volume from. So as you can see, the what kind of volume you get from this small piece here, Mercury Box. All of the Inotech speakers are named, very in a very nice way. So, and the quality shows up at every place. The way it comes packaged. This is in a handy strap to keep it while you can keep it in your hand or keep it somewhere. It comes with a leather, most probably a PU leather pocket pouch. And then look at the quality of the wires. I've reviewed so many speakers. I'd never seen this quality of wire. So this is a micro USB charging cable. This is a braided cable. Look at the length as well, because usually the micro USB charging cables are like this long. And then you have a auxiliary cable as well. So all in all, it's a top quality speaker. If you're looking for a small portable speaker, Bluetooth speaker, this one gives you an excellent value for money. And this is B for Try Me Once Reviews. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is B for Try Me Once Reviews, and today we are looking at Marsbox from Inatech. An amazing speaker, and in the back you get a beautifully packaged speaker, your manual, and then the wires. I would like to start from the wires because this is first of a kind what I've seen till date. So you will see this is braided braided micro USB charging wire. As you can see, it comes with a Velcro strap. And I've reviewed so many speakers. This is by far the longest and the best wire I've ever seen. So the quality starts from every small thing in a product, and Inotech has taken care of that. Second wire I would like to show you is the auxiliary wire. This is again one of the longest braided wires. So better you have good luck wearing this one out, because I don't think so you're gonna wear this one out. This is a really nice braided cable, comes with really nice package, Velcro strap. Everything falls into the place for the color scheme as well, because it's a red and black speaker, so it comes in this black box. And then you have one of the really nice manual for Inatech. And then looking at the speaker, amazing looking speaker. I've already turned on and compared it on the Bluetooth device. The grill, it has a very smooth finish over the grill across the whole speaker. In the back end you would see it has the rubberized backing so that it stays in place. Really nice feel, smooth on top. If you see, the buttons have been marked, like you could see this is a multi-purpose button, plus and minus, and then you have play and pause. At the back you would see this is a power on off button, a separate power on off button, a reset device, then you have an input port for charging and auxiliary. All in all, very well constructed speaker and really nice sound. So I have paired it with my iPad. I'm going to play it and see. So just switch on my iPad and so this is the volume very low right now. I'm going to increase the volume. As you can see, it was not the highest even volume on the speaker side. So right now it's high on the speaker, and on iPad right now it shows about, as you can see, 50% of volume. So you can see this is insanely loud, really well constructed speaker, and one of the best Bluetooth speaker I've seen till date. The quality is displayed in each and every small piece related to this speaker, and on top of it, it has built-in FM. I'm not going to show the FM feature right now, but it has built-in FM. You could turn it on by pressing M mode. Once you press mode, the FM turns on and you can listen to FM as well. But one of the best Bluetooth speakers I've seen. This was Mars Box from Inatech, and this is B for Tiny Ones Reviews. Thank you.